राइट इसके अलावा जो और तरीका है थर्ड वाला है वो लोकेशन ऑफ लैंड है. दैट मीन्स कि लैंड की लोकेशन जो है उस तरह का काम उसमें किया जाए. इफ इट इज इन द रूरल एरिया वी कैन यूज इट फॉर कल्टिवेशन, फॉर इरिगेशन, फॉर एनी अदर पर्पस. बट इफ इट इज इन अ मार्केट एरिया देन इट कुड बी यूज फॉर समथिंग एल्स. Same way is improvement on land. There are certain improvement, man-made improvement which we can do on the land, like hedging, creating irrigation facilities, or putting on some fertilizers. These are man-made ways which we can put on the land to improve their fertility, right? So ये आपके 4 factors हो गए. Fifth factor जो है वो है आपका ability of organizer. Fifth is ability of organizer. Now ability of organizer का meaning क्या है? What does it mean? Land is, you know that land is a passive factor of production. आपको मालूम है land क्या है? Land is a passive factor of production. ठीक है, मतलब ये है कि लैंड अपने आप काम नहीं कर सकता, आपको लैंड में काम करना पड़ेगा तब जाके लैंड के ऊपर प्रोडक्शन हो सकता है. तो वो यही बोल रहा है कि ऑर्गेनाइजर से मतलब यह है वो लोग जो लैंड के ऊपर काम कर रहे हैं. सो इफ दे आर वर्किंग प्रॉपर्ली, दे हैव स्किल टू डू वर्क, दे नो द राइट टाइम टू डू राइट थिंग ऑन द लैंड, सो दे नो राइट improvement that can be done on the land. In that case they can bring a lot of improvement on the land, right? So land is a passive factor of production, and so it is essential to combine with other active of production also. So we have to what? We have to combine other active factors on it, like labor, machine, etc. So land is a passive factor of production, so by applying active factor of production on it we can improve the production here, right? Now the competency and the ability of the organizer. The competency, the skill and ability of the organizer plays a key role. ठीक है, तो एक की रोल प्ले करता है ऑर्गेनाइजर लैंड के ऊपर. ठीक है, तो बहुत हद तक एबिलिटी ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजर में भी आप ही क्या डिपेंड करती है. इट डिपेंड्स द एबिलिटी ऑफ प्रोडक्शन ऑफ लैंड. ठीक है, लैंड ओनरशिप लॉज. लैंड ओनरशिप लॉज. नाउ लॉज मतलब कानून. लैंड के ओनरशिप लॉज क्या कहते हैं? दैट अगर कंट्री के नियम कानून जमीन को लेकर के बिल्कुल क्लियर कट है और जस्टिफाइड है और फुली जस्टिस है, देन इन दैट केस लैंड के ऊपर प्रोडक्शन करना ज़्यादा आसान है. बिकॉज अगर कुछ गड़बड़ है लॉ को लेकर के, जैसे कि कुछ के पास लैंड है, कुछ के पास लैंड नहीं है, और जमींदारी सिस्टम चल रहा है और टीनेंट सिस्टम चल रहा है और लैंडलेस लेबर्स आर वर्किंग हार्ड ऑन द लैंड एंड द जमींदार इज नॉट पेइंग देम, व्हिच यूज्ड टू हैपन इन द ओल्डन टाइम्स एंड स्टिल इट इज हैपनिंग इन सम ऑफ द एरियाज ऑफ द कंट्री. सो अगर ऐसा कुछ है कि लॉज प्रॉपर नहीं है तो लैंड के ऊपर प्रॉपर काम नहीं किया जा सकता, प्रोडक्टिविटी बढ़ नहीं सकती है. लेकिन या इफ द गवर्नमेंट इज प्लेइंग अ की रोल, द गवर्नमेंट हैज टू प्ले अ की रोल, एंड इफ दे आर फॉर्मुलेटिंग गुड लॉज रिगार्डिंग लैंड, रिगार्डिंग द लैंडलेस लेबर्स, रिगार्डिंग द owner of the land, then in that case what is going to happen? The productivity of land can be increased, right? The seventh factor that is the availability of efficient labor. Availability of efficient labor. Now availability of efficient labor is also one of the important factors. See, if the labor is skilled or semi-skilled or unskilled, in both three cases the productivity is going to be different. See, farming or cultivation is a technical field, and when to do right thing on the land with the right kind of conditions can be understood by a skilled farmer or a skilled person only. If your labor is unskilled, he don't know how to work on land, then obviously you are not going to have the proper productivity. He is going to not use the resources properly. Not only we are talking about farming, but we are talking about other use of land also. If you are suppose preparing a house on a land, then also you need some technical people so that they can make the best use of the land. So availability of technical people and availability of technical labors is very very important, and to a very great extent it affects the productivity of land. The productivity of land depends on the availability of efficient labor, as land alone cannot produce anything without the efficient labor. If the labor is efficient, trained and capable to adopt the modern technology, then only land can have better productivity. So अगर आपके पास नई मशीनरीज है तो उनको चलाने वाले आपके जो लेबर्स हैं वो भी टेक्निकली एडवांस या स्किल्ड होने चाहिए. 8th is your irrigation potentials. Irrigation potentials. Right. Next important point, a factor which affects the productivity of land is the irrigation potentials. If you have good irrigation facilities, then only you can have great You can have great use of land. You can bring a better productivity out of it. The means of irrigation also affect productivity of land. Lands which depends upon means of irrigations, like क्या क्या irrigations के हो सकते हैं, means canal हो सकता है, tube wells हो सकते हैं, है ना, canals हो सकते हैं, tube wells हो सकते हैं, then you have tanks हो सकते हैं, wells हो सकते हैं. तो जितना आपका साउंड नेटवर्क होगा या इरिगेशन का नेटवर्क होगा उतना फाइन क्या होगा, हमको प्लांट प्रोडक्टिविटी लैंड की बढ़ाई जा सकती है. बिकॉज दीज डेज यू कैन नॉट डिपेंड अपॉन द मानसून टू कम और द रेन टू फॉल एंड keep waiting for it. No, a country has to have a great and efficient and advanced irrigation system so that the right time we can provide plants with water. So there are many systems, there are many ways through which we can provide water to plants. These are tank, tube wells, etc. And they can provide a great they are the great way of increasing the productivity of land. Right? This is also one of the important factor. Now another factor is the availability of capital. Availability of capital. Now what do you mean by availability of capital? Availability of capital means that how much money, how much machinery, how much technically advanced the people are. If the country is very much advanced as far as techniques are concerned, as far as money is concerned, as far as other facilities which are needed by the cultivation sector or the primary sector are there, then obviously we are going to have a great productivity. Right? Now capital is the fundamental factor that affects the productivity of land. The productivity of land can be improved a lot with the help of advanced seeds, advanced machineries and irrigation system. So this should all be of great quality. Right? The productivity of land also increase if improved method of cultivations like fertilizers is there and other things are there, machines are there, seeds are there. So next, the 10th point is the government policies. If the government policies are really well made, implemented, then also you can have good quality of production. Availability, agriculture policies of the government also affect the productivity. Agriculture policies we are talking about. Policies. So agriculture policies में बहुत सारी चीजें आती है. We can talk if the government passes laws to pass the ownership to the land, cultivators to consolidate holdings, to provide seeds and credit to the farmers, to provide technical knowledge to the farmers. तो यहाँ पे government क्या क्या दे सकती है? Technical knowledge दे सकती है farmers को. ठीक है, क्रेडिट की फैसिलिटी, उधार की फैसिलिटी दे सकती है. ठीक है, मशीन्स प्रोवाइड कर सकती है, सीड्स प्रोवाइड कर सकती है. ठीक है, वेल ऑर्गेनाइज्ड मार्केट प्रोवाइड किया जा सकता है. तो ये कुछ और भी ऐसी चीजें हैं जो गवर्नमेंट कर सकती है. द प्रोडक्टिविटी ऑफ लैंड विल इंक्रीज. सिमिलरली लैंड प्रोडक्टिविटी इंक्रीजेस इफ द गवर्नमेंट एनकरेजेस रिसर्च इन एग्रीकल्चर सेक्टर. ठीक है, तो ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. रिसर्च इन एग्रीकल्चर sector also improves the productivity of land to the great extent. Right? So these were the few of the factors which affects the supply, the productivity of land to a great extent. Right? So government policy, the productivity of land is affected by the government policy regarding agriculture. Agriculture productivity start increasing when the government adopts a proper agriculture policy and provide required assistance to the farmers at the right time. So providing with credit facilities, technical knowledge, machines and sheets, well organized market, research in agriculture sector, these all things are going to encourage the farmers and they are going to work hard on the land, because land is a passive factor of production. Without the use of skilled laborers, you cannot work on land properly. So when we talk about the factors affecting productivity of land, so this is your land productivity. So many factors: irrigation, skilled knowledge, skilled labor, government policy, government policy. Then what else was there? Other factors. What were the other factors? The other factors were availability of efficient labor, training of labor, agriculture research, right? Then ownership laws, land ownership laws. So these are all the factors which affect the productivity of land to a great extent. So children, we are finished with lesson number 6, land. It is one of the factor of production. And now you people just complete the notes and we'll be discussing and doing some question and answer. Till then, take care of yourself, stay at home and stay healthy, children. Alright, children.